What is going on, guys? Welcome to Finny, welcome to what? Yeah, welcome to Greggle's World. In this video, Finn and I are gonna try to catch a bird, and let's just jump into it. I'm gonna try to catch a bird, okay?
Yeah.
So I need you to set up your trap, okay? All right, set up your trap.
Oh, a gummy worm. A gummy worm.
Oh, a gummy worm. We got the bait, okay. And we need a stick, right? What about that stick right there? What about that right there? Yeah. Right here. This one, Finn. This one. That stick, yeah. How about that? No, this one, bub. This one. How about that? All right, let's set the trap up, okay? Let's set the trap up.
Need some deer.
Yeah, let's set the trap up. And then when we wake up from our nap, we're gonna see if we caught a bird, okay? All right, set it up. Set it up. Set it up. Perfect. All right. All right.
A bird.
Perfect. We got it. Do we got it?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, so as you saw, we set the trap. Hopefully within the next couple of hours, we're gonna catch a bird. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
2 hours later.
Okay, I just let Finn know we might have caught a bird. He just woke up from his nap. What do you think? Do you think we caught a bird? You think we did? Oh my God, Shoko's so excited. Put your shoes on. Put your shoes on. This is so exciting. I have like this gut feeling that we caught a bird this time. Super gut feeling. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Is there something in there? Is there something in there? What is that? See what it is. See what it is. What is that? Wait, what did we catch? What is that?
A bird.
We caught a bird? Dude. High five. Finn. High five.
Why is that orange?
What do you mean? I think we caught the bird.
Why is that orange?
Why is the bird orange?
Yeah.
He must be a tropical bird from like the islands. Maybe he's from the Philippines.
Where did it come from?
I don't know. We caught a bird though. Your trap worked.
How?
Finny, your trap worked. That's all that matters. Your trap worked. You want me to pick it up?
No.
Okay, should we just leave him?
No, why does pick him up?
Huh?
Pick him up.
Okay, I'll pick him up. Oh, I'm scared. Should I be scared?
Don't hit him.
No, don't hit him. He might get hurt. All right, I'll pick him up, okay? Oh my gosh, should I be scared?
Touch him.
Okay, I touch him. Oh, he's soft. Oh, he's nice and soft. Wait, oh my goodness.
No.
Look at the bird we caught.
Bite me.
He's not gonna bite you. You wanna hold him? He's sweet. Look at, he's nice.
No, let me. Not. I can hold him.
You can hold him. Should we leave this out here to see if we catch more birds?
No.
Okay, let's bring him in. Let's bring this bird inside.
No, I need to have more.
Huh?
Need to have more.
We need what? Catch more? Yeah, but this bird is sweet. I think we're gonna keep him.
Okay.
Let's bring him inside.
Why is a bag and not get messy?
Put him in a bag?
That is.
No,
why-
he's a nice bird. Can he give you a kiss on the cheek?
No, it's sharp on the mouth.
Okay, he'll kiss Daddy on the cheek.
And how did they get like before?
Oh, he's sweet. Oh, he's
That's
sweet.
why it can fly.
Finny, he's sweet.
It can talk.
Yeah, can he give you a kiss on the hand?
Ooh. I don't wanna
Okay, I bring him in. He'll be my bird then.
fly.
Wow, this is so cool.
But how to find more?
Huh?
Daddy, there's just more.
You want to try to find more?
No.
Okay, we'll leave this out here and see if we can catch more. Okay?
Do that around the bag.
Yeah.
And it'll bite me.
Finn, this bird won't bite you.
No, but now it can talk.
He can't talk, but he's a sweet bird, Finn.
Get a bag.
We need to get a bag for the bird?
Why does
So we have him in the plastic bag now. You want to call Lola?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
No, maybe it eat the orange and
Oh, he's gonna maybe he ate an orange and that's why he's orange.
yeah, they have orange in the back.
He's got orange all over.
Why do
him.
you have little feet?
Yeah, I know he's got little feet, huh? This bird.
Why put him in the dirt?
I don't know.
Put him in the dirt.
Put him in the dirt?
Yeah.
All right, let's try to call Lola again. Finny caught a bird. He's trying to tell you he caught a bird. He caught a bird in his net.
Is that a bird toy or what?
No, it's a bird.
It's an animal.
Finn caught a bird all by himself.
It lay egg.
It lay an egg, he said. It didn't lay an egg, but
The mommy lay eggs like
he
that
left it out on his net. He left the net out with his gummies and it caught a bird.
Oh no, really? Wow, I'm proud of you.
Yeah, say good boy. So now he's not sure. He's not sure what he should do with the bird now.
Maybe not. Maybe do not tell him in the maybe need to find it.
Oh, the mommy's looking
The
for
mom
him.
is looking for the bird already. The mom is looking for the bird.
Oh.
Huh.
Maybe we need to put him in the dirt.
He said maybe we should put him in the dirt.
Maybe to find
Yeah.
him there and walk there
Walk out there.
and let him go. And to put him there or
Wow. Okay.
no, but dead. No, you only put it in the dirt. Some of the animals shoot on the back.
Someone probably shot. He said somebody probably shot it in its back.
I think maybe some shot it.
Put it
Wow.
in the dirt then.
Yeah, they put it in the dirt and it flies.
Put it in the dirt and it flies.
Tomorrow, when you come see-
Okay, so you're gonna bring it to Lola's. So what's gonna happen? We found a bird. Finn caught a bird actually, and we are going to figure this thing out. We're gonna bring it to his Lola's tomorrow, so maybe that'll be episode 2
Yeah, the
to see what they do with the bird, and maybe they can bring it back to life. Finny, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Say love you guys.
I love you guys.
I love you.
All this.
Like I belong in TV. And the whole time I'm in the
I'm here trying to watch Bretman Ross, and you're interrupting me, wasting TV.
got the button.
You better put that back.
And then I like,
No, put that back. Oh, I see you. I can see you.
I see you, Mama.
I see you too.
a kid, like going
Ah, you tell me I got